Join me, let me show you how I prepare this delicious Nigerian jollof rice, starting with 10 kg of chicken thighs, rich, smoky, and full of flavor. Let's begin. First, I went ahead to remove the hard skin, okay? Cut to your desired size. For some, I cut into two, into three, okay? It depends on how you prefer. If today is your first time coming across this channel, thank you so much. Please do well to subscribe to our channel, like, share, comment, and also turn on your notification bell for more amazing food recipes. Guys, subscription is free of charge. It doesn't cost you anything. Okay. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much. I really appreciate. God bless you. It is time to wash the chicken, okay? So I'll be using some salt to wash it properly. Yeah. Wash them well, like tomorrow, no day. Oh my God, don't mind me. All right, once I'm done washing, just the way you are seeing here, transfer in your cooking pot. Yeah, the pot that will contain the chicken, or you can as well cook it into two parts. So I went in with some soya sauce, oregano, add some salt. Feel free to use any seasonings of your choice. Okay, so I added some curry powder, some rosemary. I added some thyme, bay leaves, some seasoned cubes, come chop, no need to rush. This food not get this love, no hush. Ginger and garlic paste, okay. Once I'm done, I gave it a nice stir gently, and don't forget I did not add any water to it, okay. So we're going to cover it and allow it to cook on its own juice, okay. Look at it, guys, look at it. Some minutes later, I checked on the chicken. Remember, this is soft chicken, okay. We're not going to overcook it. At this point, it is ready to fry or grill, depending on your choice, okay. So for me, I am going to be grilling my using my air fryer, okay. So next, into my clean pot, I added some vegetable oil and allowed to heat up. I add some salt. Now I went in with my onions and saute for about 2 minutes, okay. Now I went in with my tomato paste. Wetin she give you go heal you. Na kitchen be a sacred place where she dey smile with gentle grace. I mix until it is well combined, okay, and keep frying on a medium heat, okay, until it reduces in quantity. You go no say you dey home with me that you know alone. Over here I have my grilled red bell pepper and onions, okay. Back to the tomato, okay. So over here I added the blended grilled red bell pepper, okay. I want to mix everything until it is well combined and keep frying until it is well cooked and oil flow to the top of the sauce. If you notice, I did not add too much oil to this, okay. So I went in to season it up. I added some blended crayfish. You need to be generous when it comes to Nigeria jollof rice or more crayfish, eh? Crayfish, yeah. So beautiful puppy. I added my oregano. Here I went in with curry powder, little nutmeg, ginger, and garlic paste. Feel free to use any seasonings of your choice. Give it a nice taste, just the way you are seeing me doing here on the screen, right? You have to keep stirring, okay, and make sure you cook on a low to medium heat so you don't end up with burnt tomatoes. Okay, I now went in with my season cube at your taste, depending on the quantity of rice that you are cooking. Okay, I am not going to be telling you the measurement of season cube that you will be using, right? I dey cook what I am eating at home, right? So give it a nice stir. So next, I went in with my washed rice. Of course, by now you must have known how I wash my rice. Soak in a boiled water with some salt for about 10 to 12 minutes. Now wash it for like 2 to 3 times. Okay, and that is it. Now add it into your pot, toast, turn for about 2 minutes. Okay, now go in with your tomato base. You can see have mixed everything. Okay, you want to mix until it is well combined. All right, so I added in my fresh pepper. Add to your taste. Okay, I added some crayfish. Of course, I told you guys that crayfish, I don't joke with my crayfish when it comes to cooking. I don't joke with it, right? So now I added my stock water. Okay, bit by bit. So I'm taking out the bay leaf. Okay, you can as well leave yours there. So you make sure you add the water, but do not overwater it. Feel free to adjust for salt or seasonings. Yeah, just the way I did here. I added some season cube and some salt. Give it a nice stir. Cook on a low heat, right? Cook on a low heat. Yeah. So I covered it up with some foil and just allow everything to cook properly and dry. That is it. That is it, my amazing people. Our jollof, John the jollof, Hey, this jollof, you cannot resist the aroma. I bet you on this. You cannot resist the aroma. Yes, so I went in with my crayfish. Of course, I told you guys, I don't joke with crayfish when it comes to cooking. Don't judge me, oh. Now, so I love my own. Our jollof is ready. Our jollof is ready. You can see this jollof, I made it for party. Yes, so I have to transfer it to the cooler immediately, just the way you are seeing me doing here. Nke a bụ iricha ịracha aka ijụọ ma ọ ka fọrọ ọzọ. Yes, so our jollof is ready. Hope you'll be trying out this recipe. If you will, let me know what to think in the comment section. Guys, so it is ready. The chicken, the salad, everything is ready. Oh, thank you so much for watching. See you guys in our next cooking video. And remember, bye bye.